ma'am, I am actually don't have any econ, so and I didn't have any econ subjects as electives either. But I am interested in the subject, and I wanted to know, is it like, do I have the option of maybe going for a master's in econ if I want to? Like, how
You
feasible it
don't
is?
have to. So there have been classmates when I was in DSE also. My one of my classmates was from mathematics background. This year, one of my students from BCom background made it to ISI. Last year, one of my students from English honors made it to ISI. Uh, Last year, one of my students from engineering background made it to ISI. So all sorts people from all sorts of backgrounds have come.
Okay, ma'am. And like, if I'm preparing for entrance, right? Like now I have barely about 8 months left if I want to give attempt for this year. So do you think is it enough, or
Yeah, it is enough. You want to
will I have to take a topic
concentrate on
if I want to
CUET, is
give?
it? Do you want to concentrate on CUET?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough.
Yeah, it would be CUET, yeah.
It's enough.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, all the best.